to everyone who's watching this video and to our lecturer Sir Rahimi. So today we are going to present our group assignment, which is the principal proposal. So before we go further, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Nur Afika Uzma binti Junaidi.
My name is Siti Nana binti Zainwi.
My name is Malaina Jasmine binti Manzuri.
My name is Siti Nabila binti Muhammad Noor. For the motherboard is Gigabyte Z370 Aorus Gaming 3 Gaming motherboard, which is support 8 Gen Intel Core processor. The brand is Gigabyte. The model is Z370 Aorus Gaming 3. Next, for the processor, Intel Core i3 8100 8 Gen Coffee LED Quad Core 3.6 PHZ LGA 1151. The brand is Intel. CPU chips model is Intel i3. The processor is Intel Core i3. The type of model is i3 8100. The speed of processor is 3.0 GHz. For the RAM, we suggest is 4 GB for 2 pieces, 2 GB of PC, 6400 DDR2, 800 mAh computer, MHz computer, DDR2 667 240 pin DIMM computer, all the motherboard, desktop, memory, RAMs. For the brand is OME. The model is DDR2. The connective speed that's not specific. The system memory is 2 GB. Okay, for the monitor, which is Acer K202 HQL 90.5 HD plus LED monitor. The brand is Acer. The type of model is K202 HQL. The display size 90.5. The resolution is HD.
Computer case that we suggested is Decathlon T3Z Full ATX Gaming PC cases by Armageddon. So the brand is Armageddon. The model is Armageddon Decathlon T3Z. For the hardware that we suggested is graphic card Zotac GTX 1050 TIOC edition 4 GB. The brand is Zotac and the model is GTX 1050 Ti. Graphic memory is 4 GB and the chipset manufacturer is NVIDIA. For the voltage is 101 to 200. So for the network card is Intel 5492MT 82546 dual port gigabit server adapter PCI 32-bit 1000M network card. For the brand is OEM and the model is network card IB. As for the CD and DVD drive, we suggested for 12.7mm universal USB SATA CD DVD drive, HDD FreeKD, burner case enclosure. For the brand is TapTap. Model is A16 to 12.7mm. Compatible media is DVD. So the drive interface is SATA. As for the speaker, we suggested FanTouch Health Screen GS 210 Gaming and Music Mobile speakers with bass resonance membrane for computer, PC or laptop. And the brand is FanTouch and the model is Health Screen